Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Binom for affiliate offer optimization, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, create your Binom account by visiting their official website. Fill in the required details to set up your account. Once your account is active, log into the Binom dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, taking note of the key sections. Start by navigating to the Settings tab. Here, you can set up your tracking domain for accurate data collection. Next, head to the Offers section to add affiliate offers. Click on the Add Offer button to input the details of your offer. Fill in all necessary information, including the offer name, URL, and affiliate network. Now, it's time to configure the tracking parameters. Use tokens provided by Binom for dynamic tracking links. After setting up your offers, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Create a new campaign by clicking on the Add Campaign button. Define your campaign settings, including the traffic source and targeting options. Make sure to segment your audience for better optimization. Once your campaign is set up, generate tracking links using the offers you added. Test these links to ensure they redirect correctly to your offers. Next, monitor campaign performance using the Analytics dashboard. Analyze key metrics like click-through rate, CTR, and conversion rate, CR. Identify which offers and traffic sources are performing best. Use this data to optimize your campaigns by reallocating your budget. Always refine your approach based on performance insights. Leverage A/B testing to experiment with different offers and creatives. Continuously gather data to inform your optimization strategy. As you refine your campaigns, keep an eye on industry trends. Stay updated on new affiliate offers that may align with your strategy. By regularly optimizing your offers, you'll enhance overall performance. This complete guide will help you effectively connect with Binom for affiliate offer optimization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.